Hello friend, in this video I will teach you how you can write your first program using JavaScript and VS Code. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. If you are a programmer, if you are having some programming experience like C, C++ or other some languages, so it is not a big deal. We will teach you on as simple way as you will learn easily. So let's start how we can make file and how we can select language. But before, you need to install JavaScript and Node.js because we will work in that, right? So let's get started. Here you can click on file, and after file you will click on new file. You can also do that with Control N, and Control N will bring you to new file. Here the option is being given to you that select language for yourself, and if you are going to code some extra thing, means some other languages, you can select other languages, and we are going to write JavaScript. Okay, after that, now we have converted to our JS extension, but we need to do one thing more. We have to save this file, so we will be having autocomplete option when we are writing something or some code, so we would not be having this problem to write each alphabet and each word. So let's save it with Control S, and well, save with first, right? .js is really important, and now we will save it. Now if you see the file has been transferred here, you can make a new file from here, and you can also make your new folder from here, right? So if you are new in this programming language, but before you are having some experience like C, C++, so in C++, while we were studying structure in C++, we uploaded all the series video in there. We were using some cout and we were using some cout and hash include. Like, we will write an example in that language. In C++, you had to write like this: hello and word. But here is something different. We will, if you have that background, mean you are having some previous experience in C++, we will teach you this language in the really easy way. You would be able to learn that in a week. That will just take you a week, but we will be uploading more videos and as in a form of playlist, so we will recommend you to watch that. And also, if you did not watch our previous video of C, C++, so we will also paste the link in the description, and you can watch that as well. So just take start in this language. Like in C++ we are using cout, but in this language we will use console, and with after console you will terminal will just hello world, right? Okay, now we will come here, just put semicolon after at the end of your console.log. and now if you want to see the output of this, you will just go to terminal and you will create a new terminal for yourself. If you want to split the terminal, you can also split the terminal from here, and there are some more options. If you are interested, just check that yourself, right? So okay, we will just click here and run without debugging. So we'll do with Control 5. You can also do that. So you can see your output here that hello world has been come here, right? And if you are writing some other, some numbers, etc., so you can also write that too with log. Fine. and we will write, sorry for that, we will write log, and after log we will write some 90 random number. We will take not having some mean, we'll just take a number to show you how you can do that. And again, control and without debug, and this is your output shown here, right? So you can write many things if you are interested in writing some floating number, or you can write, we will say that a character. You can also write, just define with console.log. so if you are even writing only a one alphabet, only A, so that is also possible with console.log. so this is all about, if you want to write something in console, write down in to show you something to user as output, so you will always write this in console.log. if you are writing your after that will jump in next topic as well, but let me just introduce one thing more, that comments. And if you are writing comments, so comments is really important in each language. If there are two types of comment, one is single line comment and one is multi-line comment. Within a single line comment, you can just do like this, backslash, two backslashes, not backslash, so the two forward slashes. And if you want to write multi-line comment, we will see there, but just try to run this now. Look, that 90 and A has been given as output, but this hello world has been rejected because this is as comment. Comment are just the plain text that is not accessible by compiler, and that is not having any meaning, but that just used to describe your code. This is just description to your code. If you write something and you write comment in front of comments in front of that, so you would be having a concept that mean there will be a type of description to your code. You will be not having any problem that what I have used and what I am using. So we just covered today two topics, that how you can write your first program, and the next topic is all about that how we can write single line comments and multi-line comments. Later on we'll discuss all the topics, and I will provide a link of the previous, if you did not see my C++ videos, so I will also provide the link to that, and we will also upload all the series of these videos in the in coming time. So be with us. If you are new, please subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.